All right, y'all. Sometimes we miss out on sneakers, and we always say you gotta get that consolation prize. A certain sneaker would make up if we miss out on one. Y'all know the Statue of Liberty Kobe 6s. Those Jones was something that I missed out on that I really wanted, and I feel like there's no consolation prize for that. But I ain't even gonna cap, y'all. Shout out to King Kilo. This sneaker right here, this is close, bruh. Nike Ja 3 12 time, or what people have called it, Statue of Liberty joints, just because of this colorway. These are nice, and I got to see them early, so therefore that means y'all get to see them early as well. Hey, shout out to my people at JD Sports for letting your boy take an early look at this sneaker. Again, I am not saying this is better than the Kobe 6, because it's definitely not. But for the price point of $130, the fact that it's going to be available, and it is the same colorway. Not only that, it is a unique sneaker just like the Kobe 6. You can't go wrong with it, man. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Are these a must cop, and is this a true consolation prize for the Kobe 6 Statue of Liberty? Enjoy this early look. Let's go. So we do have another early look. Shout out to my people at JD Sports again. Tap in if you ain't. We got a Ja 3 box right here. Here go the size tag. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. This is a size 10. We're gonna open up these things like this and like that. Ooh, man, y'all like to call these the Statue of Liberty Ja's. I ain't gonna do that, bro. But we have the Ja 3. I don't even know the name of these, to be honest with you, but here we go. We got the Ja 3s right here, super clean colorway. I feel like Nike, after they did the Jalen Brunson joints, they decided to do this in all the colorways. So you got the LeBrons like this in these, but these is a strong second to the Kobe's, bro. If you can't get the Kobe 6, but as you guys can see, we got that mint blue upper. You got the Zoom X in that purple colorway. You got that Nike swoosh right there. On the back, it does say 12. On this side, we do have that purple Nike swoosh as well right there. You got the bottom, it looks just like that. You got the 1, you got the 12 on the tongue. It does come with a pair of orange laces, bro. I'm not sure why it does the orange laces, but it does. These do have some stuff behind the tongue. Here go the other one right here, as you guys can see. Super clean sneaker. I don't think it's bad at all, bro. It's just not, it's not the Kobe, so I'm biased. Y'all know how I feel, man, but y'all let me know down in the comment section. This is a must cop for you guys. Let me show you what's behind the tongue. All right, so behind the tongue right here, it says a bucket in the backyard is a bucket in the league. And then this one says a bucket is a bucket. It's somewhere in there, man. Yeah, but y'all let me know. Let us know down below. Look at my boy rocking. Come on, man. Come on, man. It's a must cop for you guys. How y'all feeling about the Ja line? Do y'all feel like it's time for them to stop making all these colors? Let me know how y'all feel about this down in the comment section. Is it y'all really messing with the Ja's? They're giving us a lot of colorways, so I appreciate that. Retail is definitely a good price point. I think it's like $140 or something like that, so that ain't bad, man. But yeah, y'all let me know down below. I appreciate y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, know what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, just bait. Want me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.